Yes. You want a rib too? Yeah, it's meat day. You want meat day too, kitty kitty kitty? Mama cat? Yeah, I agree with you. Yes, you gonna get meat day too. I ain't forget about you. No, I didn't. You want steak or pork? You want steak? Okay, you can get steak. I got steak in the refrigerator. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, Miss. You want steak? Alright, I'll cut up some steak for you then. Yes, ma'am. You want it heated or cold? Heated. Okay. Since it's cool enough in the house to roll in and record you, let me cut the light on so people can see it. See, I ain't talking to my damn self and meowing by like crazy. Okay. Alright. I'll heat up the steak for you. I'll chop it up. Alright, give me a second. We ain't gonna do 2-minute kit. We're gonna do 2-minute click. Alright, let me go ahead and chop up the steak for her. Then dogs can get the leftovers, whatever. Meat day.